Greetings everyone, and today we will install MikoPBX using Google Cloud. Today we will do a full installation, like we will create our personal image inside Google Cloud, and that is mean we can install a dev version, for example. For that, before we start in Google Cloud interface, you should download VHD image from MikoPBX GitHub. Okay. Now we are on the main page of Google Cloud, and I suggest you to start from connecting two necessary APIs. For that, just open navigation menu, then go to APIs and Services section, and here click Library. Today we need to install Cloud Build API and Compute Engine API. Okay, let's get started. Now we are in API library, and we should choose Google Enterprise APIs. And here in the search section, just type Compute Engine API. Compute Engine API. Here we are. Just click on this API and then press Enable button and wait for a few minutes until it will be installed. Okay, our first API is successfully enabled. That is mean we are ready for the second one. For that, again, just go to the library. Here choose Google Enterprise API, and here type Cloud Build API. Here we are, click on the name of our API and then press Enable button again and wait for a few minutes until it will be installed. Well, it is successfully enabled, and that is mean we are ready for the second part of our video. We will check some of roles inside our service account. For that, just go to navigation menu, then go to EIM and admin and click EIM. Here we should choose one of the roles. Before that, just click on this checkbox, and here we can see an account with cloud build.gservice account domain. Click to edit it, and here we can see only one role, and we also should add compute admin. For that, click add another role and type compute admin here. Compute admin. Just choose that and click save. Okay, now we are ready for the third part. We will upload our image inside Google Cloud. For that, just open navigation menu again and go to Cloud Storage Buckets. Here click Create and just type the name for your bucket for our image. I will use MikoPBX image file. Then just click Create, Confirm, and our bucket was successfully created. And now, yes, I suggest you to create our second bucket, which we will use to store our logs. Just press Create button again and type the name for our second bucket. I will use MikoPBX logs storage. Click Create again, Confirm, and now we are ready to upload our image to our bucket. Open MikoPBX image file bucket, and here click Upload Files, and here choose our VHD file, and then just wait for a few minutes until it would be downloaded. Okay, as we can see, our file is successfully uploaded, and that is mean we are ready for the next part of our video, which is creating an image inside Google Cloud infrastructure. For that, go to navigation menu, then go to compute engine. Here in the storage section, here in the storage section, click images. Wait until the page will be downloaded, and then click create image button. Okay, here we are. In the first field you should type the name of your image. I will use MikoPBX image as example. Then in the source field choose virtual disk. Click use the old version. Then uncheck this box, which is install Guest packages. And then in the third field, which is the virtual disk file, click browse and choose your uploaded image. Choose the bucket and then an image. Then in the fourth field, choose no operating system, data only. Then click grant. Yeah, wait for a few seconds. Again. Yeah, and then in the local location field, just type the path of your bucket, which we created a few minutes ago. It is GS, these symbols, and the name. For me it was MikoPBX logs storage. Okay, and then just click create, and after that you should wait maybe for around 5 minutes until your image will be created. Okay, as we can see, our image is successfully created. That does mean we are ready for the final part of our video inside Google Cloud, which is creating a virtual machine. For that, go to navigation menu, then compute engine section, and choose VM instances. Here click create instance, and in the first field just type the name for our new instance. I will use MikoPBX VM as example, but you can use whatever you want again. Then go to machine configuration section, and here you can choose the configuration of your virtual machine. I will use the easiest one, but yeah, you can use whatever you want. It depends on your tasks. Yeah. Then go to OS and storage section, and here click change. Then click custom images, and here choose our uploaded image. Here in the size field just leave 10 gigabytes, because Google Cloud is not allowed to us to use 1 as it's recommended for the system disk. Because of that we will use 10. Click select, and then in additional storage and VM backup section click add new disk. Now we will create the second disk for our system, which we'll use to storage our calls. Yeah, just type the name. I will use storage, MikoPBX as example. Then in disk service type choose blank disk. In disk type you can choose whatever you want, but I will use standard persistent disk. And in the size field you should use more than 50 gigabytes, because it is recommended amount. Then click save, and for now our virtual machine is ready to create. Just click create button, and then we should wait for a few minutes, but in this period we can configure our firewall settings. For that, just go to navigation menu again, VPC network and firewall. Here we should add a new rule. For that, just press create firewall rule. In the first field you can type whatever name you want. I will use MikoPBX roles. Then just leave it like that. This is the same. Ingress, allow. In the target section you can choose all instances in the network. I'll use this one, but also you can choose specified target text and just put the name of the tag for your virtual machine. But yeah, I will use all instances in the network. Here in source IP v4 ranges, just type 0.0.0.0/0. And then in protocols and ports section, just turn on TCP and UDP connections in these ranges, like from 0 to 65,535. Then click create, and now we should go back to our VM. For that, compute engine and VM instances. Yeah, just press the name button and then click on the serial port 1 console in the brackets. Okay, and for now we should wait for a few seconds until our system will be started. Okay, now we are ready to connect to the web interface of MikoPBX. Here we can see our external network address and also default login, which is admin, and our password for the first connection. Let's do that. Just copy an external network address, paste it there, then click advanced, proceed, and now we are in MikoPBX web interface. Let's log in. Yeah, the default username is admin, and here is our password. Just copy that and paste it here. Then click authorize. For the first login, system will ask us to change the password. Let's do that. Then click Save Settings, and for now our system is fully ready to use. Yeah, as you can see, it was quite easy. And for now we are ready for the second part of our video, which is connecting two different soft phones to our MikoPBX station. Okay, for the final part of our video, I suggest you to connect two different soft phones. Yeah, in my video I'll use Lite and also Zoiper. Okay, let's get started. Firstly, let's connect an employee with internal number 201 to the Lite. For that, just go to Lite interface and here go to configuration section and click new. Here in the main realm field, you should type an IP address of your MikoPBX station. For me it is 40.134.242.230. Then proceed. Here in the username field you should type internal number of your employee. I will connect an employee with internal number 201, then just type it there. The same for authentication name, and in the end for the password field you can just copy the password for SIP from MikoPBX interface by this button. Paste it there, then click the arrow and finish. As you can see by green indicator inside Lite interface and the green indicator inside MikoPBX interface, our connection is successful. Okay, let's continue with the second soft phone, and we will connect an employee with internal number 202. Open the Zoiper interface. Here in the username field, just type an internal number of your employee, 202, then type the symbol, and after that you can just type an IP address of your MikoPBX station, 242 2, 3, oh. Okay. And the last step is just paste a the password. You can just copy that from MikoPBX interface like we did with the first employee. Paste it there and click login. Next, skip, wait for a few seconds until CPDP connection will be found, yeah. Then click next, and as we can see by this green indicator and the same green indicator inside MikoPBX interface, our connection was successful too. Okay, for a small test, let's call from one soft phone to another one. I'll call from Zoiper to a phone light. Just type the number, then press deal. Yeah, as we can see, everything works perfectly, and that is mean we are ready for the final part of our video, which okay, today we will use internal Diaplan application, which is echo test. Yeah, we will test our system by echo test. For that, go to Models and Diaplan Applications section, and here we can find our application and internal number. Let's deal to this number from one of our soft phones. Yeah, today I will do that from Zoiper. Just type this number inside the soft phone. It is 103246. If everything works perfectly, we can hear our voice when we will call. 1, 2, 3, test. As we can see, everything works perfectly, and that is mean that our full installation was successful. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Goodbye.